The Speaking Cave. Once in a peaceful village nestled between lush hills, there was a cave that stood out from all the rest. It was known as the Speaking Cave. The villagers believed that this cave had a special gift. It could speak, offering wisdom and guidance to those who sought it. One bright morning, a curious young girl named Maya decided to visit the cave. She entered with a heart full of questions. How can I make the world a better place? She asked. To her astonishment, the cave's walls rumbled, and a deep, comforting voice echoed, saying, "To make the world better, start by being kind to those you meet." Maya nodded, understanding the wisdom of the cave's words. She asked more questions and received valuable guidance each time. As she left the cave, Maya realized that the true magic of the Speaking Cave wasn't just in its words but in the way it inspired people to seek wisdom and make positive changes. She decided to share the cave's wisdom with the villagers. Over time, the village became a place of kindness, where people helped one another and disagreements were resolved through understanding. The once quiet village soon flourished with happiness and unity. And so, the Speaking Cave became a symbol of wisdom and the power of seeking answers, inspiring a community to come together and make the world a better place. The end.